Hi friends, thank you for joining us today. Today I will show you how you can easily create a YouTube thumbnail by using Canva. So Canva is one of the easiest systems to use. However, it took me a little bit of time to figure out how to do it efficiently. That's why I want to share with you how I do it. So when you go to an Explorer you're using, an internet website you're using. I'm using Microsoft Bank right now. You just type in Canva, as you can see right here, and you hit go. Next, you will just go directly to canva.com. In my case, I have already created an account, so I don't need to sign in. However, when it will be your first time, of course, you will have to enroll. You can do a free trial for about 2 weeks and you'll be able to record up to 5 minutes. If you would like to go over 5 minutes you're recording, then you will have to upgrade to business. And business account, you can either pay $10 per month, or if you pay on an annual basis, they are going to give you 20% discount, which comes out to be about $8 per month. So this is what I did. So when you are in the system, you are in Canva, it's pretty easy to use. However, there's so many options here. Someone can get confused by looking at what you have here. So for example, you can go to different tags here. You have presentations, you have social media right here. In this case, you can create an Instagram. It's going to load up right now. This is not what we want. I just want to show you. It just takes you straight there. And you'll see all other options that we have. So you have video, you have products, marketing, and so on. In our particular case, I'll show you how to do a YouTube thumbnail. So I'll go straight here and you can just type in, instead of going into all those different options, you can just go to YouTube thumbnail. And it's going to bring up different options. You can either start with a blank YouTube thumbnail, or you can go straight to something that you like. So let's just say, let's pick something pretty simple since we are just starting out. Let's just pick this one, for example. So you click on this particular thumbnail that you like, and what you will do right now, you have this option right here. So let's say we don't want to say any of that. So let's say we don't need to say 500. Let's make it something else. So let's say 4 new subscribers. And of course, way too big. So let's just highlight all of those words. And we will either can click here on the minus sign, or if you want the shortcut, you just want to approximate what you would like it to be. Let's say put it 100 and click enter. And of course this is too tight, so we'll extend it and we can move it up here. So we can move this up here. We don't like this. I don't like how tight it is, so we'll just do some space here and just go down here. I also don't like the color, so let's just make it, let's say, red. Right? Make this color red here. And you see, you can of course play with it for wherever you want. Now let's go to, let's say I don't like this block right here. So this particular block, I'm just going to perhaps extend it a little bit like that and move my words a little bit. So you see, now it fits nicely. So 4 new subscribers per day, and let's just say per day. And let's get rid of the easy way. So let's say in this particular case, we're 4 new subscribers per day. You can retype in here whatever you want, right? Let's say I don't like those particularly. I don't like this either. Let's say we don't like this guy here, so we want to exchange him with, let's say, a picture. So we'll go to photos, and let's say we want to find a woman. So let's say we say female picture, and let's see what we find. I like her. So let's you just click enter, and automatically it's going to show up for you right here. I really like the contrast of the white sweater against the black, so I think I'm going to just keep it like that. Perhaps we can make it a little bit taller. And if you see how it's now she's hiding behind us, we can right click on this picture and say bring forward. Okay, so this one will go right here, and it just was cutting her out. It's already forward, it was just cutting out the picture. So you see it's now forward and we have her here. Let's just align this. So 4 new subscribers per day. How I feel about this yellow in the background. So you see when I highlight this, it shows me the yellow color right here. So I can actually click on this and change this. So perhaps we can make it gray. That looks a little bit better. And now we can add other things to it. So let's say you want to add more text. Let's say 4 new subscribers per day. And let's say you can either pick something here. Let's see here. Per day, let's just put in dream. You see, I clicked it twice, so I added twice. So I'm just going to delete one. You just click delete. And let's just use dream. You can change the dream to anything you want. 4 subscribers per day. Actually, let's make it 40 subscribers per day. 40 subscribers per day. 40 new subscribers per day. Dream, or let's put achieved. Achieved. And again, this is too big, so we can extend it. But also when I go in here, click anywhere in the word, and it's going, when you lower the font right here on the top, it's going to automatically lower it for you. So you see it's easily changing that, and I don't like how it's laid out. Another thing you can do here, if you like this black block, I actually kind of like this black block, so I'm going to keep it. But just know this black block right here, when you click on it, you could also change the color to any color you would like. So let's say you click right here, you can make it gray as well, or you can make it red. Maybe we can keep it red. So now another thing I would like to show you how to add, you can do elements. I really like elements because here you can find different items that you would like to perhaps add here. So let's say you want to put in here subscribe. And when you click enter, it's going to pull up for you this image right here. So when you click on it, automatically it's going to add it. Obviously, we don't want it this huge, so I'm going to put it down here somewhere. Okay. And let's say you want to add something else. Like let's say, I don't know, let's put cloud. Let's see if you wanted a cloud here, would add on cloud, and you can add it here. I don't think it's so great, so we're going to remove it. So we'll do delete. Another thing you can do right now, so for example, this is the name of the file, which obviously it's not, we want it to be on the top right. You see this name. We want to change it, right? So let's say this is your thumbnail for how to gain new subscribers, so that when you save it, you can actually see what thumbnail it was. Now let's assume you are finished. You can play with it forever. Like an add a house here. Let's say we want to add a little house here. I'm going to add a little house. Oh, I moved her by accident. So let's move her up here, and the little house is going to go right here. So you have it over here, and now let's assume this is fully done. And now you have different options to share it. So another thing I want to bring up here, that you have position here. So whatever you click on, you can change position of it. Let's just not cut off her head so much. Let's make her head bigger. So let's say if you are on this, and let's say whatever you click, you can change the position of it, you see? So let me move myself, but I can move it forward, backward, top. I don't want to mess with it right now, but any of this, you have options here. Now let's assume we're done with it. So what do you do with it now? So now you can click on share. And what I have learned, that when you share, I like to download it first. I mean, you can share directly to your social media, but I do not like to do that because I think sometimes it just gets messed up or it uploads for a long time. So I do like to just download it. So I go straight to download. And one thing I did notice is that when you upload it to YouTube, sometimes when the file is too big, it will not let you upload the thumbnail. So what I like to do, I save it as ping, but I do compress file. So then you click download and it's going to download it for you automatically. You can also copy the link of your thumbnail if you like to mail it to somebody. Okay guys, so this is my tutorial on how to create easily a very simple thumbnail using Canva, one of my favorite systems to use for designers, or for the beginning designers, I should say. Thank you so much and have a great day. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please like it and please subscribe. I'll be create more content, and please post in the comments what other content you would like me to create. I am a new YouTuber. I do it kind of, I have a full-time job, but this is just my part-time hobby. So if you would like me to cover some other topic, please let me know and I'll be happy to help. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Bye.